In this lesson video, we are going to learn about the business letters. In business letters, we are going to look upon the letter of complaints, complaint letters. Now let us learn how to write a letter of complaint.
Hello friends, welcome to this online teaching and learning. In this video, we are going to learn how to write business letters. There are different kinds of business letters: sales letters, letter of inquiry, letter of order, letter of complaint. So today, we are going to focus on letter of complaint. We are going to learn how to draft a letter of complaint. Now in the letter of complaint, we are going to look upon two things: letter of complaint against defective goods and letter of complaint against. I've already explained you the format of complaint letter. Now we are going to look upon an example and learn how to draft a letter of complaint. Always draw a margin towards your left. Consider this is my left margin. Now at the beginning, leave one line space and write the name and address given in the question. Now what is the name and address given in the question? Name is given Andy or Andrea. So I'm going to write Andy Fernandez. Just see, the name is a noun and the starting has to be capital letter. Please take care of the capital letters starting of the name. So Andy Fernandez, purchase manager, Nature's Resort, Colma, Goa. Now, if you notice, there are no punctuation in the address. When I'm writing, after that there are no punctuation mark. Please take care, there should be no any punctuation mark. Here only Colma, Goa, Margam, Goa has to come in this line, and in between there has to be a punctuation. Only here. And if you see, everything has to be close to the margin. You should start close to the margin. That's why we call it full block format. Full block format meaning everything has to come close to the left margin. Next, leave one line space and the date will come. Now today is 17th. So 17th July, 2020. Please restrict to this format of date. Please restrict to this format of the date. Now whenever you are writing July, don't write just Ju. Whenever you are writing month, you have to spell fully the month. Like for example, you are writing January, don't just write Jan. You have to write fully January. Don't write just Feb. You have to write February. Don't write just August. You have to write fully August. Now I am writing July, capital J, comma, the year. This is how you have to restrict to the date format. Then leave one line space, and then the sender's address will come. To whom you are sending? You are sending to the general manager of Bharat Petrol Potteries. So you write the general manager, Nature's of Bharat Potteries, MG Road. Then down you have to write Margam, Goa. See here also Margam, Goa. Small hyphen in between and no other punctuation marks will come. Then again leave one line space and then you have to write the subject. Now subject also, when you are writing subject, it has to be written fully subject. The spelling, it has to be fully spelled. Subject has to be fully spelled and right. See, can you see the subject here? It has to be fully spelled and right. So subject. Now what is the subject here? What is the question here? You are against the defective. You are writing a complaint letter against the defective product receipt. So your subject will be the complaint letter against the defective potteries. So instead of goods, you write the potteries. So subject, complaint letter against defective pottery. So defective crockery you receive, no? So defective crockery. So this is your subject. Have you seen? salutation, sir. So please don't write dear sir or beloved sir. That will not come. Or respected sir. Just write sir or madam. So please restrict to sir. No comma. Then leave one line space after that. Leave one line space, and then you start writing your content of the letter, the first paragraph. So how I told you to write the first paragraph? I regret to inform you that the purchase of what we are purchasing? We are purchasing of crockery. So purchase of goods, when there is a goods, we have to replace with the word crockery. So purchase of crockery were found to be defective and poor quality. So this is your first paragraph. Then what is the next second paragraph? How the second paragraph begins? In this regard, same. Second paragraph will come same as it is. The second paragraph will come as it is. So you write in this regard. In this, we have to leave one line space after every paragraph. In this regard, I have also lodged a complaint with the customer care department of the company on the toll free number provided. Then the third paragraph will come. Next will be the third paragraph. So how you are going to write the third paragraph? How I gave you the same. Third paragraph also will come the same as I have given in the format. We are returning the consignment. Leave one line space before that. We are returning the consignment. We are returning the consignment and expect that the goods as per our order will be dispatched without further delay. I look forward that this complaint, complaint is settled by you and the earlier. Then you write thank you. See, your T has to be capital and Y has to be small. So earlier we used to write thanking you. So now we don't write. Just say thank you. No thanking you and all. So just thank you and close to the margin. Everything has to be close to the left margin. Then leave one line space. Again you leave one line space. And then you write yours sincerely. Complimentary close. Yours sincerely. See, your capital Y and S has to be small. Please take care of the capital letters. So thank you, yours sincerely. Then leave one line space here. Leave one line space. And then you have to write SD. SD signature. SD means your signature. So you don't sign, but you just write, in case of sign, you write SD. You don't need to sign. You cannot sign for other person. That's why we write SD. Okay? And just below that, without leaving line, you write the name in capital letters. So Andy, what is your name? In capital letter. A-N-D-Y. Andy Fernandez. In capital letter. And who are you? Suppose you are the general manager. So it was given in the question, you are the general manager, right? No, you are the purchase manager, sorry. You are the purchase manager. So you write here, purchase manager. You write in the blanket.